There he is, walking away. But while the royals were away, their land is quite a scare, from a dragon fast approaching, breathing fire everywhere. All the villagers ran in fear, even the soldiers hidden fled. This vicious beast is far too great. We must retreat or we'll be dead. Thank you. No, it's good. You did it well. It's okay, I want to show the dragon. There's the dragon. Burning it up. The prince heard the dreadful news, and he raced home with all his might. To protect his precious realm, the prince was ready to fight. Dun, dun. That would match mine. And we made sure that we had some pinks going on together. So let's give them a round of shaking hands. Love it. And what's the other way? Tahoe! Awesome, good job. Well, let's stop the tree. Cool. Do it. Yay! Tahoe! All right, let's read. When he was born, everyone thought he was a boy, and as he grew older, it turned out everyone was right. He is a boy.
Domino, you're supposed to make noise.
Once in a lullaby, if happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow wide, oh, I can't
My shoe broke. I'm not going to try to explain over the drums, so if you want to know what's going on, just go to Rouge Fatale's Facebook page. And because I'm on data, I'm going to tap out in a second. Just thought they were cute. They're not quite clear. Take up space. I can't clap because my shoe is broken and I'm holding a phone with the other one. Alright. Anyway. Bye. Hey girls. Want to say love wins? Can you do your applause? Your sign applause? How do you do that, Domino? Woo! I guess she can't. She's got hands on each sister. What was that? Rouge? Rouge is up there. I should be able to. Ouch! This foot is on fire. Well, it's not actually on fire, smarty pants, but it hurts. The pavement is hot. All right, 1 second. All right, now through this, we gotta find Daddy. Here, you guys are tinier. You want to walk through and I'll follow right behind you. Take Gabrielle's hand. Take her hand. Good job. Genevieve, wait for your baby sisters. Ouch. Watch the grate. Okay, I got her. Get Dominique, go grab Genevieve's hand. Oh, huh. The less time on the pavement, the better. Genevieve, Domino's trying to get your hand, honey. Good job. All right, do you guys want to say hi to Rouge before we go? Rouge is over there. You gotta go through there. Woo, hello. Oops. Go give Hugs goodbye. You want to give Hugs goodbye too? You're pretty well.
Are you guys going? Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it.
All right, let's go find Daddy. Bye, Rouge. All right, and everybody else. Rouge and friends, Rouge and company. Now to call. Oh, you can get my hand. Come over here. I have to take my hand for a second to press stop. Is that okay? Can we go over to the grass? It really hurts my feet. It's so hot. Okay. Lovely unicorn. And how old are you tomorrow, Domino? 5? Crazy.
Down on you. Can you hang on?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. You come. Oh, you went up in the chair. Here, you go. That'll be smart. You good, hon?
What do you think?
Pretty cool, eh? It's huge.
Did you lose your car?
No, Genevieve. Da 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 da. Let's go to see the stars. Hi, Gabrielle. Wait, Domino, your unicorn horn is looking a little flaccid. There you go. Now it's all happy. Your hats for your horns falling down again. What do you say, girls? Good morning.
Birthday
Blow out your face. Blow out the candle. Go.
Blow out the candle.
She's too serious for that.
There she is.
It's a bunch of wishes.
You see all the wishes?
I'm gonna eat.
Oh, I didn't take any of it.
Choose one. Choose one, Domino.
Your finger is over the button.
Choose one.
First, you have to save lives by stopping the bomb from going off.
This. I see up.
No stress, no pressure. There you go. It's a game. You have to save. Your daddy is. This is what we got, honey.
Ooh, a new backpack with an owl. You got a book
There's
about
one
a donkey?
book. The Willie and the Wee.
Oh, the
What's
wonky
that book?